If your React application reloads every time you click a link, then you are not building a real React application. Today we'll build a complete mini dashboard application and learn how professional React apps handle navigation using a React router. By the end, you'll understand SPA routing, layout routes, URL state, and how real production apps structure routing. Normally, this is how many websites work. When we click a link, the interface reloads. The browser requests a new page from the server and load it again. This type of website is called multi-page application or MPA, but React applications work differently. React apps usually follow the single-page application or XPA concept. In an XPA, the browser loads the page only once at the beginning. After that, when we navigate to different parts of the application, the page does not fully reload. Instead, JavaScript updates the content dynamically. It makes the application feel faster and smoother, almost like a desktop application. To handle these kinds of navigation in React, we use React Router. React Router allows us to move between different views in our application without refreshing the browser page. In this basic setup, there are three important components here: browser route, routes, and route. Browser route enables routing in our application. Routes look at the URL and finds the matching route. Route maps URL to the component. This is incorrect for React application because it refreshes the page. Instead of a tag, we need to use link tag because it helps to change the URL without reloading the page. Before we talk about layout routes, let's quickly look at our project structure. We have pages for dashboard, tasks, and settings. And also we have a reusable sidebar component. Our sidebar is a simple navigation menu. It lets user move between pages. We will reuse the sidebar across all pages. Now imagine something. Every page in our app needs the sidebar. Dashboard page, tasks page, settings page. Without layout routes, every page must include the sidebar manually. That means duplicate code everywhere. Here is an example. Now every page has to repeat this layout. Instead of repeating layout everywhere, we create one layout component, and React Router renders the current page inside it. The outlet component renders the current page inside the layout. Think of it like a placeholder. Now the sidebar lives in one place. Each page only contains its own content. React Router handles the layout automatically. Now let's talk about a professional routing concept. Many developers store filters using React state. It works, but it has problems. Like refresh breaks state, links cannot be shared. The reason is the filter lives only inside React. Professional apps store navigation state in the URL. The URL itself stores the filter. React Router provides a hook which is called users params to read query parameters. Here is an example. Now filtering is controlled by the URL. If URL changes, then UI changes. Let's understand how React Router actually works. Firstly, the browser reads the URL. React Router checks which route matches. Then it loads the layout. Then the page component renders. Professional React apps follows one rule. The URL is the global state for navigation. Everything starts from the URL.